Today, I will be showing you how to use the Chamfer tool in SOLIDWORKS to create a beveled edge on your 3D model. Let us first make a 3D model to set for an example. To use Chamfer, go to the Features tab on the Command Manager, then click on Chamfer. You can also find it by clicking the drop-down arrow next to the Fillet icon. In the Chamfer Property Manager, choose the type of chamfer you want to apply. So you have to select the face, edge, or vertex where you want to apply the chamfer. And of course, you'll see a preview of the chamfer appearing on your model. Then, you may also enter the distance or angle values you prefer to apply on your bevel edge. And also, you may set the chamfer parameters in this section area. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click OK to apply the chamfer. Your edge now has a smooth beveled finish.
So the feature that I'm going to demonstrate to you is the fillet. So the first thing that we're going to do is to create an object. Next is you create a sketch. Just click right plane and then click the circle and make a circle in the origin. And after that, you fully define sketch. And after that, you go to Features and click the Extruded Boss or Base. After clicking it, you edit the thickness of the object. So after you extruded the object, you go back to Features and then click Shell. And then click the surface to create a hole in the interior part of the object. After it, you also edit the parameters of the hole that you wanted to make in the interior part of the object. So as you can see, there are 3 items to click in order for you to create a fillet. So the first one is the exterior part of our object. Second one is the top part of the object. The next one is the interior part of our object.